Hello everyone and welcome back to Project Fern. Today I'm going to give you a sneaky look at the Escort RS Turbo. There you go people, that's my new purchase, Ford Escort RS Turbo. As anyone who's subscribed to my channel will know that I tried finding my old one. I found out the guy who actually had it, sent him a message, sent him an email, no response, so you just got to leave it there, except that maybe he doesn't want to contact you back or he's not got it, but you can't keep hounding people. I thought I'd give myself one chance to get my old car back. And yeah, I didn't manage to do it, but I've managed to get hold of this little gem. Got the Saxo ticking over there. Going to have a mad day on that today, get as much done as I can. But I know everyone's here to look at this forward. So here's a sneak peek, a bit of a preview of it. It's been stored for 5 years. As you can see, it's absolutely filthy. It needs a good clean. It's just covered in absolute dust. It's been in a storage unit, it's been in a barn. I think you'll agree as it sits there, it's a pretty straight car. I'm looking forward to doing the videos of every step of the way on this car, as I do with them all. I am looking forward to next weekend, if I'm being honest, where I get the car cleaned up, get the bonnet open, get all the doors open, get the boot open, get the boot carpet out and show you what I've bought. There's a massive interest in these old forwards on YouTube as well. Everyone seems to be getting an RS Turbo or a Cosworth or whatever, and it's just absolutely brilliant to see. And it's just brilliant to see they're all making videos on it as well, because the videos will stick around forever. It's like an archive, like a forward history being created online on YouTube of people doing these cars up. Any little problems you come across, there's someone out there who's put a video up on how to fix it. And yeah, like, I just think it's brilliant, like absolute brilliant community and stuff. As I've just said previously, make sure you hit the subscribe button for this car. There's going to be lots to do on it. Lots of little hidden features on it as well, especially under that bonnet. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick video today and give you a sneak preview as to what I've bought. I know I posted a picture on my YouTube community feed and also on my Instagram. It's always nice to give a bit of a walk around with a camera. As always people, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see the rest of the videos on this car. I have got the Saxo and I've also got a potential other car coming. Stay safe people, and I'll see you in the next video.